this is Remy. I was told that I wanted to have the cat in the camera, on camera, but I've been making some gift bags. One sec. So if you've been watching the series, you've seen that I have been making some food gifts. And I am one of those people who save gift bags. Now this is just a regular size gift bag. As you can see, this one's a little smaller. But if you put anything heavy in this, like fruitcake and a jar of jam, the handles break. And as you can see, this is, well, it doesn't take much to rip that off. So if you're trying to deliver a bunch of gifts, they're hard to hang on to and hard to lug around. So I decided, why don't I make a gift bag that I don't have to worry about breaking on me? And I can put some heavy things in here, like my jams and fruitcake and some cookies and whatever else I decide to put in here. Some of the ornaments, the cider mix that we've been making. So, and that looks really nice with a bow on it. So I'm going to show you how to make them. Very simple. I lucked out. It was my first prototype and it worked out great. Actually, I made this one first and it turned out the best. So I'm going to show you what I did. This isn't real Christmassy fabric, but I bought it specifically to make these bags because they are... this fabric was very inexpensive. It kind of looks fallish. It looks like a lot of dead spruce trees is what it looks like. Anyway, it's a snowy, wintry scene. Anyway, so we're going to switch down the camera so I can show you. It's only one pattern piece, 2 handles. Very easy, and then I'll sew it together, and my sewing machine is really loud. I'm going to use the industrial, so I'll just do it with no sound and try and speed it up so you get the general idea. So we're going to make this pattern. So this paper is folded in half. So from the fold on the paper, go 7 inches, 12, and then 7. Alright, so now we're going to make a pattern, and we need to go 2.5 inches this way, and 2.5 inches this way. So this is 2.5, and this is 2.5. So then we're going to measure 6 inches. Right there. And we're going to draw from this point here to our 6-inch line. So this is your pattern where the red line is. Right here. So that's what your pattern should look like. So this would be cut on the fold of your fabric. Unless you're using a one-way directional print. You see how the trees are pointing up here and these trees are pointing up here? Well, all I did was cut them out singly, but not on the fold. I added a seam allowance so I could sew them together. So, only exception to the rule. The rest of the fabric I had was not one way. So, need to cut 2 of these, a lining and a print. Then you need a piece of buckram or piece, that's optional, piece of interfacing, which is just the width of this when it's folded out. So just for in here, just this space right here. So about 5 inches by 8, and you need 2 handles, 2.5 by 12 is what I cut them at, and this is what they end up looking like. If you want them to be sturdier, put interfacing in them. These ones have 1-inch piece of interfacing, but that's completely up to you. And I used needle punch, which I no longer have with me at this time. Alright, so that's how you make the pattern, and I'm going to do a video.